Good morning, everybody. Today we are focusing on two new vowel sounds, the sound O and the sound O. So let's begin with the first one. O is a back between open and half-open rounded vowel. As you can see in the diagrams, the tongue is back and very low, almost in the same position as for A. The only difference is that our lips are rounded, open lip rounding. So we say O, O. This one is a bit more open than Spanish O. We say O, O. We should think that we've got an orange in our mouth and we try to close our lips, but we can't. So we say O, O. Let's focus on the spellings. O as in dog, holiday, sorry. A as in what, want, yacht. O-U, O-W as in cough, knowledge. A-U as in because, sausage, Australia. And we should remember that whenever we have A followed by a vela sound, the K sound, the G sound, the NG sound, the pronunciation is not with short O, but with smiling F. So that's why we say wax and not wax. Now, yes, let's focus on the transcription. A dog, a fog, a blot, a chop, a shop, a lot of knots. So once again, a dog, a fog, a blot, a chop, a shop, a lot of knots. Now the ordinary spelling. A dog, a fog, a blot, a chop, a shop, a lot of knots. Now words and phrases. A dog squatting on a rotten log. A dog squatting on a rotten log. John is strong. Olive is not. John is strong. Olive is not. John is a docker. Olive is a shopper. John is a docker. Olive is a shopper. Olive watches John load a long strong box on a yacht in a lock at the docks. Olive watches John load a locked strongbox on a yacht in a lock at the docks. A dog squatting on a rotten log. John is strong. Olive is not. John is a docker. Olive is a shopper. Olive watches John load a locked strong box on a yacht, in a lock, at the docks. Now a new vowel sound. This one is long O. It is a back between half closed and half open rounded vowel. As you can see in the diagrams, the tongue position is back, but slightly higher as for O. So we say O. And the lip position is also rounded, but the difference between O and O is that for O, the lip position is very close. Close lip rounding. So we say O. O. If we compare it to Spanish O, the position is a bit more close or closer. Spellings. AW, AU, as in raw, Paul, Maud, Paul. OR, as in door, core, more, retort. The ending OUGHT, as in thought, bought. A plus L, as in all, walk, talk. Pay attention because in walk and talk, we don't pronounce the L. We say walk, talk. A plus R, as in war, worn. And that's it. Let's continue with the transcription. A thought, a talk, a yawn, a call, a walk, a stormy dawn. So once again, a thought, a talk, a yawn, a call, a walk, a stormy dawn. A thought in ordinary spelling, a talk, a yawn, a call, a walk, a stormy dawn. Let's continue with short phrases and sentences. Maud is short. Paul is tall. Maud is walking on the lawn. Paul is crawling along the wall. Maud warns Paul, "You'll fall." "Not at all," retorts Paul. Maud is short. Paul is tall. Maud is walking on the lawn. Paul is crawling along the wall. Maud warns Paul, "You'll fall." "Not at all," retorts Paul. Very good. Now, people, we're going to focus on a process called incomplete release, which affects plosive consonants or plosives. These are the P sound, the T sound, the K sound, the B sound, the D sound, and the G sound. P, T, K, B, D, G. When do we have incomplete release or incomplete closure? When there is a plosive followed by another plosive, either at third boundary, that is between words, or within, inside the word. That is what we call incomplete release. What is it? It means that the first plosive is released together with the second. That's why we only hear the plosion, the sound of the second one, not of the first one. So let's examine some examples. Big pig. We do not say big pig, but big pig. Fast car. Fat cat. Dark barn. Stopped. Locked. So as you can hear, we only hear the second plosive. So once again, big pig, fast car, fat cat, dark barn, stopped, locked. And this is the diacritic, the symbol we use to represent incomplete release or closure. Thank you very much for your attention. This is the end of the video.